In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Steam account without password or username. If you're locked out and can't remember your login details, don't worry, Steam has a clear process to help you get back in safely. Start by heading to help.steampowered.com. On the home page, select Help, I can't sign in, then choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. You'll likely see a quick CAPTCHA. Complete it to confirm you're not a bot and continue. Next, you'll use Steam's basic search to locate your account. Enter any information you might remember, an email you used, a phone number, or your Steam account name. If you're unsure, type your best guess so you can move forward to the recovery options, and then click Search. If you have access to the email you entered, watch your inbox for a verification code or a recovery link from Steam. Give it a minute, and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Make sure the message is actually from Steam before clicking any links. If you no longer have access to the email tied to your account, select I no longer have access to this email. This will take you to a form where you can prove ownership of the account. Provide as much legitimate evidence as you can. Helpful items include original game CD keys, purchase receipts, the last 4 digits of a card used on the account, PayPal transaction IDs, or Steam wallet card codes. Keep the information accurate, and only share what the form requests, never full card numbers. If you're uploading images of receipts or cards, make sure they're clear and readable, with only the necessary details visible. Steam support reviews these submissions manually. Response times can vary depending on volume and the strength of your evidence, so be patient and keep an eye on your email for replies from Steam. If they request more details, respond promptly with the requested information. Once your ownership is confirmed, you'll be allowed to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't reuse elsewhere. Then take a moment to update your contact information for better security. Verify your current email, add a backup email if needed, and consider linking a phone number. It's also a good idea to enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator to protect your account going forward, so future recoveries are faster and safer. That's the full process from start to finish. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be back in your account soon. Thanks for watching.